In this video, I would like to share my experience in traveling to northern Kenya, Turkana land, where you get to see and experience Turkana, tribe called Turkana. And of course, that's the county that it's rich in cultural activities, and I've loved traveling up northern Kenya. And of course, getting to Turkana, you can do it by road. For a long time, the road infrastructure has not been very good, but with time, they are working on the road infrastructure, and you can pretty get to Turkana by road. But there's several flights from either Nairobi to Lodwar that you can easily access throughout the week. But of course, if you get to Lodwar, is the capital town of the Turkana county, and from Lodwar you can get to different locations in the Turkana county. One destination that I've always gone to is Elia Springs. Elia Springs offers, it's situated just next to Lake Turkana, and of course you get there some white sand beaches and arrays of palm trees, and you can get to experience a beach life in Elia Springs. And from the Elia Springs you can take a boat to the Central Island. That's very exclusive place. And Central Island is a volcanic formation. You have 3 crater lakes in Central Island. One with the crocodile pool or crocodile lake, a tilapia lake, and also one with flamingo lake. And there is a lot of history, and it's a place that is fascinating in terms of nature. You can also actually sleep and camp on the Central Island, and it's a national park, so it's under the Kenya Wildlife Service. So there's an entry fee that you pay to actually access the Central Island. Another thing that is very interesting in Turkana county is the Turkana Cultural Festival. These dances and the show of their culture. If you are in the county, Turkana county, be there when there is this the cultural festival. Again, when you move from Lodwar, there's this fishing community called the KALOKOL community, fishing community. There's a lot of dry fish that they are preparing and preserving fish on the sun, and also that fish gets to different destinations throughout the Kenyan county. One thing that the Ferguson Gulf is also a place where you are into fishing. You can really explore in the Turkana county. Place LOBOLO swamp. You can mingle there with a lot of flamingos in LOBOLO swamp in the Turkana county. So it's something that I would really recommend. The hot waterfalls of KAPEDO. That's also one place. Of course, KAPEDO with a lot of insecurity and all that, but I think it's one place that you can really explore. And when you are in the county, please engage with the local communities in the Turkana county. One village that I would really recommend is called MOITE village. It's a small community of different Turkanas living together in a very unique, it's like an untouchable tribe. And of course, this is some of the things you can do in the Turkana island, but there's a lot you can do when you get to Turkana county. But bear in mind, it's a semi-arid area, so There's so much sun, and prepare for scorching sun when you get to Turkana. I hope this video gives a little bit of experiences, and don't forget to share, like, and press the notification bell